Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to set up lead pages and Convertkit. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So just simply follow along in order for you to do this process. So first, just simply log into your lead pages. Just simply open your lead pages account and navigate to the home screen. And on the left side hand of the screen, just simply click on the integration button, guys. And from there, just simply look for the ConvertKit logo on the list of integrations. And once you have done that, just simply click on it and start the setup process. And from there, just simply enter your ConvertKit API key. So guys, in order for you to find your API key, just simply go ahead and log in into your ConvertKit account and just simply click on your profile in the top right corner of the screen. And from there, just simply go to the settings or the gear icon, and on the left side, you should be able to see there advanced section and just simply locate the API key and just simply click the paper icon and copy it. And once you have copied your API key, just simply go to the lead pages and just simply paste the API key into the designated field. And from there, optionally, you can name the integration as well. You can go for ConvertKit account 1, ConvertKit account 2. So pretty much it will be depending on you. So this will be just an optional option. So after that, just simply go ahead and click on connect once you have provided the necessary information, and just simply wait for the page to refresh and check for a confirmation message stating that the integration is successful. And from there, just simply verify the status under integration that shows that it is connected. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.